Hi everybody. Welcome to the Cubs. That's gonna be the Cubs and the Pittsburgh Pirates. Hi, if you were a pirate, would you eat yourself? Would you? Hi, Sammy Sosa comes up to the plate. Here comes the fastball. It's hit, way by, it's gone, it's out of here. Holy cow, Cubs win. It's the Peanuts guy in the 8th row. Oh my, but Cubs win. Take me out to the ball game. Take me out to the crowd. Buy me some peanuts and cracker jacks. I don't care if I ever get back for retreat. Retreat for the Cubbies. It's a shame, for it's 1, 2, 3 strikes you out in the hole. Ball game, Cubs win. Holy cow.